How to insert a PDF into a Google Sites webpage in about a minute. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you step by step so there are no hiccups. By the end of this tutorial, your PDF will be neatly embedded on your page. First, open Google Sites and navigate to the page where you want to add your PDF. Look for the Google Drive icon in the toolbar. This is your gateway to inserting files from your drive. Click it. A new window will pop up showing your drive files. Locate the PDF you want to embed. You can use the search bar in the top right corner to quickly find your file. Once you spot it, click to select it. Next, click the Insert button at the bottom right corner. This will embed your PDF directly onto the page. If it doesn't display correctly, double-check that the sharing settings for the PDF allow at least anyone with the link can view. Now your PDF should appear on the page. You can adjust its placement and resize it by dragging the corners for the best visual presentation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert a PDF into your Google Sites webpage. This is perfect for sharing reports, portfolios, brochures, or any other document.